Hi friends! It is a privilege for me to visit this place. There are several trees here and the place is so serene. Every time I come to this place, I feel so relaxed. It's so peaceful. And as you enter the place, you will see this statue of the Blessed Virgin Mary. This place is used for recollections of students, and that is one of the spiritual formations given to them. Oh wow, I can see a big jackfruit. I think this is almost ripe. Jackfruit is one of my favorite fruits. Okay, around the areas there are kiosks that can be used by groups of students. Now I'm going to see the area where I will give recollections. This area is a private place and usually used for recollections, and there are areas also used before for campings of students. This place is safe and it's a nice place to commune with nature, even if it is within the city. If we have time, it's always good to find time to be alone also, or to undergo retreats or recollections, for us to pause for a while and reflect on what's happening in our lives. It's good also to find or to reflect, where is God in our lives, in our daily undertakings, and for us also to be grateful for all the blessings that we have received. Alright, aside from trees, I can see bamboos. There are also other plants and trees. There are fruit trees. And you see, it's so nice to see green scenery. And there are also other flowers. This is a beautiful flower and I like its color.